Are you a marketer who's dying to have top-tier clients on board that are only available on LinkedIn? Well, you're not the only one who's trying to reach them. Gaining attention of high-quality clients is a dream that's not that easy to gain on LinkedIn. It does not only take time, money, and lots of effort. Even if you are a professional marketer who's been at it for decades, you will realize that marketing on LinkedIn is hard. It's very hard. No one really knows how to gain profitable ROI by marketing on LinkedIn unless you have a really big marketing budget. You and I both know it. Otherwise, why would you be here in the first place? Now, you must be thinking, okay, so I can buy a third-party automated program for LinkedIn and all the problems will be gone, right? Unfortunately, no. If it was that simple, every single marketer would be doing great on LinkedIn. You might already know that only a handful of marketers know how to market on LinkedIn the right way, and they charge thousands of dollars because of it. Why? Because there hasn't been any kind of tool or software that can help everyone to climb up and take their place. Even if you find a tool like that, how would you know it works? In other words, most automation tools that claim to offer you something that requires nothing but the press of a button can be useless, since you'll find yourself spending more time than you'd spend doing the same tasks on your own. These so-called automation tools are more of a hurdle than a solution, and the worst part is you'll be paying for it. This is exactly what happened to me. As a marketer myself, I was looking for an automation tool that could help me increase my revenue by letting me get in touch with other professionals on LinkedIn. But all the tools I've tried were of no use. I had to spend hours per day to get things right. Even then, I never got the results that I hoped to get. Since I didn't have much time, I hired a marketer who could do it for me. But that marketer did worse than I was doing on my own. I never got the results I was looking for. And these little failures were enough to help me realize that I needed to do something about it. With that determination, I brainstormed solutions for my problem. That's when I took the step to create my own LinkedIn automation marketing tool. And with that idea, I created the most successful LinkedIn software tool that you'll have seen yet. I called it Linked Assist, and it's the perfect solution for your LinkedIn-related problems. Linked Assist comes packed with great features that spike your sales high and give your marketing the kind of boost it needs to satisfy your clients. And guess what? For the first time, everything is automated here. You only need to invest just a few seconds of your precious time to Linked Assist, and it will do the rest on its own. But that's not it. With Linked Assist, you can provide quality leads to top-tier corporate-level clients who pay thousands of dollars to get things done the right way. In simple terms, you will have no trouble in skyrocketing your sales to ultimate heights. The best part is, if your product or service is great, these clients will stick with you forever. But let's not get ahead of ourselves, because now you must be wondering why you should listen to me in the first place. So let me tell you a bit about myself and you'll figure it out yourself. Hi, I'm Giuseppe Guerrieri. I'm a certified digital marketer from Google and HubSpot with more than a decade of experience and also the brains behind Linked Assist. I know what's behind the curtains of the digital marketing front, and I've applied all those tactics and strategies on this automation tool so you can get the best out of it. This is why Linked Assist has not only helped me, but also helped dozens of other professionals like myself. Remember, Linked Assist does everything autonomously and is compatible with LinkedIn's own algorithms. This provides you more flexibility over filtering and finding the targeted audience that you want to connect with and get the best possible leads that you can't get otherwise. So let's discuss a bit about the powerful features that Linked Assist is equipped with. First, send dozens of connection requests per day with ease. Now, this is probably the feature that you are looking for, and of course, Linked Assist is equipped with it. Linked Assist can send requests to second and third connections to increase the chances of getting more connections, and you also have the ability to add a personalized message. Second, message automatically to people that you are connected with. That's right, you have the flexibility to send directly dozens of messages to your connections on LinkedIn. Now, how cool is that? Just imagine sending messages to potential clients and getting loads of high-quality leads in return without spending countless numbers of hours on LinkedIn alone. With Linked Assist, you could make that imagination a true reality. Number 3, export crucial data in CSV format. Now, this feature is perfect to analyze how Linked Assist is performing, but it can also be used to save profile links of people you have contacted or sent connection requests to. Number 4, endorse profiles autonomously. Now, Linked Assist also includes an incredibly useful feature of endorsing multiple profiles simultaneously and, of course, automatically. This allows you or your clients to get those recommendations that they need to progress further in their career or build trust and credibility among their customers. This unique feature saves you hours of time alone. Number 5, save messages and signatures as templates. Last but not least, Linked Assist also allows you to save personalized messages and signatures, such as contact details, as templates. Now, this might not be a crucial feature, but it sure helps to save you a lot of time writing a message or signature again and again. You should know that this is just a tip of the iceberg. With later updates, you'll receive more features that will help you to skyrocket your marketing in LinkedIn by even greater numbers. You must have realized by now that this is the solution you've been looking for all this time. Since Linked Assist comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you don't have to worry, because if Linked Assist doesn't work for you and you can prove it to us, I will personally offer you a full refund. Now, there's no doubt that this is the kind of tool that you were looking for. So what are you waiting for? Click here to subscribe to Linked Assist today. Get Linked Assist right now.